I want to teach you a scalping strategy in the 5-minute time frame. It's not gonna take more than 5 minutes. We're gonna learn it very soon. We're gonna learn it together. Soon but powerful, okay? Hello to you all. This is Magical Trading Strategy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be very thankful if you would. In this video, we are going to use 2 indicators. I repeat, only 2 indicators. Very quick and very easy. Let's go. The first indicator we are going to use is the EMA, Moving Average Exponential. So we are going to go to indicators. I'm going to type EMA. I'm going to select this one. As you can see, Moving Average Exponential. Okay, and then I'm going to add another indicator, which is called the Matrix Series by Glass. As you can see, I'm going to add this one too. Okay, the good news is the Matrix Series, okay, the settings, it doesn't need to be changed. But for the EMA, we're going to go to the settings. We are going to go to inputs, and we're going to change the length from 9 to 200. And for the style section, you could obviously choose whatever color you like. I would personally prefer the yellow color. I would make it also a little thick over here. Okay, so what is the EMA, okay? And what does it consider? We want to consider the past 200 candles. So that's why we made these changes in the settings, okay? It would show us the average of the past 200 candles, the movements, okay? And it shows us the trend. The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to change the time frame. It's usually on 4 hours or 1 hour to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, for me it was on the 5-minute. I just wanted to remind you guys. And the candles, you know, from the default candle style, we're gonna change it to Heikin Ashi over here. So we are going to understand the trend much better. Okay, so here's the first rule. If the candles are below the EMA, we are going to consider short positions. Okay, we are going to open short positions. However, if the candles are above the EMA, we are going to think about long positions. So remember this, above this line, longs, below this line, shorts. Okay, this is the first rule, and we're going to follow this rule till the end. Okay, the trading I'm trying to teach you guys to follow is the one with the least losses and stops. So I have personally added an indicator that I will tell you guys later on, which will obviously make the risk to reward to a logical point. Okay, how do we get the signals? Okay, we want to, you know, practice on an example. Let's go to the cryptocurrencies. As always, a random one. Let's say Gala USDT. This is actually my favorite cryptocurrency, guys. So how can we use these 2 indicators together? Okay, guys, listen. Let me delete this. Let's go somewhere else on the chart, somewhere random. For example, let's go somewhere here. Okay, we remember the first rule. Above the EMA means long positions, and below the EMA means short positions. Okay, so we have it for this part. But for this part, I'm going to teach you something. This is the matrix series that you're seeing over here. It has a green line and a red line, or let's say borders, a green border and a red border. If it goes and it touches the green line over here on top, we can think of getting into short positions. If it goes and hits the down over here, okay, we can consider long positions as good positions to enter. Okay, now what are these plus signs you're seeing over here? You know, they are kind of confirmations for this indicator. Okay, I mean, if it's going to be there, it's gonna be better. Okay, if not, there's no problem with it at all. So let's go, for example, over here. It has crossed it very, very well. So for the matrix series, there is actually one more point I need to tell you guys, and that is we should wait for it to become a green candle and wait for it to get back into this part. Okay, this is the safest way actually. I'm gonna open a long position from here. Okay, where should the stop loss be? The stop loss should be on the EMA, which is the closest over here, and the take profit should be to a 1.5 ratio, which is somewhere here, 1.5, as you can see. And we could enter this position and we could easily get a profit from it. Very easy, very quick. As you see, I brought a random cryptocurrency, which I said is my favorite. I brought a random place. I actually had another place which I was working on myself, but I even came before that to show you guys how it works. So this is it. The stop loss is going to be on the EMA, or there is another answer to this too, okay? And that is, it can also be the nearest place from the past, obviously, which has created a peak, a top, or a valley, okay? And the risk to reward, I told you, should be 1.5. Why? Because it's a scalp trading, guys. If it was, any other kind of strategies, I usually tell you in every strategy that what time frame is the best. But for this one, because it's scalp trading, we shouldn't be much greedy, okay? 1.5 is enough. We come out of it. This was all the scalping strategy. Don't forget to practice and subscribe to our channel, please. As you could see, we got 1.65% of profit from here with a leverage of 5. It would be something around, let's say, 7.5 to 8%, which is very, very good. If you were satisfied, we would be grateful if you could introduce us to your friends and like this video. Turn on the notification alarm below this video and feel free to comment us. Love you all. Goodbye till the next video.